Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of bug on the application of Bumble. You will go to settings. In this page, you will search about apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will search about Bumble app and you will click here in this page. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.